£20. £20. How many dwarfs did Snow White have? Like, count her fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It begins with an S. Is it 6?
Did you like that already? She was a superstar. That's Bethany, and she's going to be fully featured in this week's video. In this week, we're going to see from induction through several skits right to the end. So please stay tuned, and there's some good news inside, so keep watching. Hi, my name's Turan Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist, and every week I show you some sort of hypnosis video. This week it's a street hypnosis clip from start to finish, as I said earlier, and it's because Bethany gave me a comment in last week's video, and so I'm featuring her this week. That's how it works. Give me a shout out in the description section and you might be next if I've videoed you. Bethany said, here's the comment. It says, hi, had a lot of fun being hypnotized by you, was interested to find out what my brain would allow me to see or not. Can't wait to see the video. So what did she mean by that? Well, you're going to have to watch the complete video to see. Now, a little bit of a spoiler alert. Things go great at the beginning. She has a wonderful induction. She has wonderful skits, really powerful skits. You can see the genuine response from her and her unconscious mind. But then I asked her to do something maybe a bit too risque for her mind. And, well, her mind was in control and it took over. And it sort of popped her out of doing those suggestions. So watch the video and find out. I'm not going to do any tutorial breakdown in this video. Usually I will break down the video into some sort of lesson about hypnosis. I'm going to do that at a later stage. I'm going to take this video, I'm going to break it down into sections and talk about various things that are going on in that. To stay tuned and keep connected with those, check out the description. If you're watching this out into the future, not in July 2022, but sometime in the future, then look in the description section, because I will put links to the tutorials I'm going to make in the future in the description section below. But for right now, we're just going to have fun. We're going to watch Bethany. It's the same. I got another comment from last week's subject, Sophie Hill. She said in her comment, there you go, hi there, it's Sophie. Thank you so much for hypnotizing me. It was so much fun. Anyone who gets the chance to be hypnotized, do it. I had an absolute blast and still have a good laugh over it. And I wanted to put that comment up because, you know, you'll see Bethany here, you saw Sophie here, you saw their comments and responses having been hypnotized. People often ask, you know, do people feel embarrassed? Do people feel degraded by the hypnosis that goes on in street hypnosis? As you see by that comment, those two comments are just very typical of everyone I hypnotize. People learn things about themselves. People learn things about their mind in the same way as Bethany said, you know, I wanted to see what my mind would do and what it wouldn't do. Again, you're going to see exactly what Bethany would and wouldn't do with her mind, and it's going to be lots of fun, and you'll be educated by just watching this video. So I hope you have fun with this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the big red subscribe button and that bell notification button next to that subscribe button so you get notified when new videos come out from myself. And if you have any comments, have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I love reading your comments and responding to your comments and interacting. As you saw here today, if you have a good comment, I might just put it in a future video, so please do leave comments in the comment section below. And I want to break some news. It's July 2022, as I said already, and well, this week I turned 1 million views on YouTube. It hasn't been an overnight success. I know some YouTubers get 1 million views per video, and that's not the way hypnosis niche videos work. It's very seldom that I've seen a massive views per video because they don't really go viral, but they're good, lots of fun, and people who have an interest in this sort of stuff really do enjoy it. And thank you very much for contributing to viewing this video and hopefully many other videos. And if you haven't yet, let's move it on to that 2 million by checking out my other videos. It's been almost 9 years in the progress for this channel, and I've got over 600 videos. So please do check out the other videos and enjoy them too. But enough of that talk, let's watch the video. And your name is?
Bethany.
Bethany. Look at your hand, look at the lines in your hand, pick one spot and one line. That's it, just continue to stare at that spot. And notice as I move that hand towards your forehead, how that hand starts to float towards your forehead all by itself without any conscious thought on your part. There you go. Feel that moving, getting closer and closer now. That's it. And you can close your eyes down and allow that hand to continue to drift towards your forehead, almost as if there's a powerful magnet pulling that hand towards your forehead now. Knowing when that hand touches your forehead, your hand will drop down by your side, your head will drop down to your chest, and you'll go into a wonderful state of hypnosis. That's right. Your legs will back and support you. There you go, as that gets closer and closer and closer, knowing your unconscious will only take that hand. It will only touch your forehead only as quickly as you're ready to go into that wonderful state of hypnosis. And sleep now, way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting and sinking down even deeper still. And in a moment I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. With every count I count, just allow your unconscious to take you down even deeper still. Letting people talking in the background and the breeze blowing through your hair just help to absorb you into this wonderful feeling of hypnosis now. So 10, going deeper now. 9, even deeper still. 8, 10 times deeper again. By the time I get to the number 1, your unconscious will take you to a place that even I couldn't take you to. So deep, so relaxed that everything I suggest will become your reality. And 4, even deeper still. 3, so deep, so relaxed. And 2, 10 times deeper again. And 1, way down, deeper and deeper and deeper relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 you can open your eyes and you'll be back with us. But every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your eyes will close, your head will drop down to your chest, and you'll go 10 times deeper still, feeling even better inside, feeling wonderful, feeling confident that you can go into hypnosis now. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. How'd that feel? Sleep way down, even deeper still, even more relaxed. And 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wasn't that great? And sleep way down, even deeper still, 10 times deeper, 10 times more relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 you're going to open your eyes. It's going to feel like you are a tree, like your feet are just stuck to the ground, like cemented to the ground, like they feel 10 tons. You cannot move your feet. It's like they're rooted to the ground. You will not be able to move your feet. And the more you try and move those feet, the more those feet just lock and stick in position. Lock and stick in position. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wasn't that cool? Go ahead and try and move your feet. Really try. The harder you try, the harder they stick. The harder you try, the harder they lock. What's it like? You can't move. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
There you go. Look at me. Sleep way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting and sinking down even deeper still. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and this time on the count of 3 your feet will become unstuck. Your feet will become unstuck just as quickly as your name sticks way back to the back of your mind. Your name's going to stick to the back of your mind. You will not be able to say your name. It's like you've forgotten your name. You know what it's like when you forget something? Maybe you've seen someone on the TV and you say, I know that person's name, but that name is gone. It's disappeared. You cannot say it. It's like it's on the tip of your tongue, but it will not come out. You cannot say your name. Even if you hear your name, you will not be able to say it. Nod your head do you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wasn't that cool? Yeah. Move your feet. There you go. I'm sorry, your name was? Will you try and say it? The harder you try, the harder it sticks. What's your name? What's your name?
My name?
Her name?
Bethany.
Can't say it. It's gone now. Try and say it. Find it stuck. The harder you try, the harder it sticks. The harder you try, the harder it sticks. What's your name? You know your surname. Your surname is?
Collier.
And your first name's gone? But tell you what, you can say it when you sing it in rhyme. You can say it when you sing it in rhyme. So sing the birthday song. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bethany. Happy birthday to you.
And it's gone. It's gone now. What's your name?
Bethany.
It's gone. Let it go. There you go. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting and sinking down, even deeper still. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 your name's going to come back to you fully. Your name's going to come back to you fully. But just like your name comes back to you, the number 7 just disappears. The number 7 just disappears. You will not be able to say the number 7. You know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how you count. That's how you've always counted. But you will not be able to say any other number between 6 and 8. There is no number between 6 and 8 because you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. What's your name?
Bethany.
Of course it is. How could you forget your name? Okay, hold your hands up. Count out loud for your friends. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8,
7 fingers. Count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Even if you count down, how many fingers should you have?
10.
Okay, 10.
9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You've got a spare one today.
I've grew an extra finger.
You've grew an extra finger. Let's just check. How many's on this hand? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5 fingers in that hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I do have.
Okay, start again. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
what's 1 and 1?
2.
2 and 2? 3 and 4? I tell you what, you got a young child here, you must know the Disney movies. What do you call that movie? Snow White and how many dwarfs? Use your fingers, count. How many fingers? How many dwarfs? 8. Do you think that's right, ladies and gentlemen? Maybe she needs a bit of motivation. Here we go. £5. I'll give you £5 if you tell me how many dwarfs Snow White had. Cannot say it. Is that right? Maybe she needs more motivation. I'll give you £10 if you tell me how many dwarfs Snow White had.
Come on, Bethany, it's free money. Don't progress.
It's gone now. It's gone. £20. £20. How many dwarfs did Snow White have? Like, count her fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Begins with an F. Is it 6?
I'm afraid I'm not. You're obviously not winning the prize today. Not winning the prize today. Back to school and sleep now. Way down, deeper, relaxed. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, that number 7 will come back to you totally. You'll remember how to count. You've always count. You will remember the number 7. But just as quickly as you remember the number 7, in a moment, I'm going to give you a pair of magical glasses. I'm going to give you a pair of magical glasses. And when I give you those pair of magical glasses, every time you put those glasses on, your friends are going to appear totally naked.
No.
Your friends are going to appear totally naked. Nod your head that you understand. Every time you take them off, it'll be fine. But every time you put those glasses on, those special glasses, there you go. See my special glasses? Look what happens when you put them on. Look what happens when you put them on.
This is a bad idea. I'm just keep looking at Lauren. Not anyone else, just Lauren.
Nothing happens.
Nothing happens. Look at me. That's it. Sleep way down. Deeper, relaxed. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you can open your eyes, and you will not see anyone naked with the glasses on, or unless you want to look at someone naked. But understand now, when you open your eyes, in a moment, when you open your eyes, you're going to see a beautiful little puppy dog. A beautiful little puppy dog right at your feet. And you're just going to want to pick him up, and you're going to want to give him a stroke, and you're going to really love him. You're going to tell us how much you really love that little puppy dog. So nod your head, you understand? So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wow, look at that. Isn't that lovely? What's that? Sleep way down, deeper, relaxed. In the moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. On the count of 5, all hypnotic suggestions will disappear from your mind. But on the count of 5, you're going to feel fantastic. You're going to feel wonderful. You're going to feel really alive, like you've never been alive in the past. You're going to feel really confident now inside your unconscious mind. Will give you that wonderful feeling. Not just for today, but for moving forward. Feel more confidence than you ever felt possible. So 1, feeling the feeling of hypnosis disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your legs, your stomach, through your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in. Feel that energy washing all the way through you, into your head, like a fresh mountain breeze. 4, really feeling alive now. And 5, stretching wide awake. Oh, well done. Bit of a round of applause, guys. There you go. You did a great job. You were fantastic. Do you remember everything that happened? Remember now. Everything comes back to you.